lot of doggy beaches also.
What?
Dog beaches.
Oh, really?
Very, very cool. The very first time I was ever down here, we went to a dog beach.
I don't know what mine would do.
Sweetness wouldn't like it. Fraser would probably love it.
Mine.
Fraser would love it, I'm sure.
Might be hard to keep him out.
Yep. It might. But he's getting so old now, he'd be too cold.
Yeah.
He'd be shivering.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
This little girl's enjoying the little waves, and those people are sitting out there waiting for the big ones to come, and none of them are coming. They're gonna wait, and this little girl's having the time of her life. She is.
Take her out a little further, though.
Yeah. Let's see, Virgil took Lorianne snorkeling, and Virgil took her deep sea swimming. Yeah, whatever you call that, you know. It wasn't snorkeling. I don't know if it was scuba. I don't think they had the scuba gear. Oh, it was swimming with the dolphins is what it was supposed to be. So they went out there, and she was just, you could just see these great pictures of her just jumping in the water from the boat, having a grand old time. And that was years ago. I mean, that's when she was littler, you know. She was just, she wasn't afraid of anything. Beautiful day here today. Beautiful day. Babe, say hi. Hi.
Oh, hi.